Coconut is good for the brain. Avocado is good for the skin. Eggplant is good for bones. Carrots are good for the eyes. Peaches are good for the heart. Mushrooms are good for metabolism. Grapes are good for the lungs. Onions are good for cell regeneration.
You must have seen this viral reels, and today we're going to be creating something similar. You can see this is like a really viral video. If you can scroll through your channel page, and you're going to see this video got 15.5 million views as of the time of recording this video. So we're going to create this kind of video. First thing we need to do is go over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give us one good health benefits of bananas, avocados, lime, and watermelon. So ChatGPT is going to generate the benefits in the script, and we're just going to use the script and we're going to copy it and we're going to go over to 11 Labs, and that's where we're going to generate the audio or the voiceover for the video, and we're just going to paste it into 11 Labs, and we're going to select the Adam voice. You can play with the other voices, but I think this Adam works well, so we're just going to modify the text a little bit and we're going to generate.
Here are 4 fruits to ensure your body is optimal. Bananas. Rich in potassium, bananas contribute to heart health, help manage blood pressure, and enhance mood.
If you can click on Adam, you can see they have an infamous and infinite number of voices. They have a lot of voices, so you can select the one you want, whichever one best describes you, what type of video you want. So once you're done with that, we're going to go over to MidJourney.com. This is the new AI platform. I just dropped a video a couple of days ago, and you're just going to log in with Google, and we're just going to go over to their AI image generation section, and we're going to type in a prompt for the images that we need, because we need images of fruits like bananas and watermelon and avocados and the rest. So we're just going to type a photorealistic image of bananas on a kitchen table with the window in the background, and it has to be colorful. So we're just going to click on generate when we're done, and it has generated some images, and this is the image we're going to be using for banana. We're going to do the same thing for avocados. You're going to save the images. Once you're done generating all the images you need, you're just going to save each and every one of them, and I need one more image, so I'm just going to modify the prompt and generate the image. Now where I have all my images, I'm just going to go over to CapCut, because CapCut is like the easiest way. You can use CapCut on mobile phone or on PC, but I'm using the PC version for this tutorial. You can do the same thing with the mobile version or the online version. So I'm just going to drag and drop my voiceover and my images into CapCut. And once in CapCut, I'm just going to drag over the voiceover. I'm going to import the voiceover as well. I'm going to drag and drop the voiceover into the timeline. So once I've done that, I'm just going to arrange the video or the images according to the narration. You're just going to arrange the images the way you want. Now the thing with this is that if you have to be creative with this process, you have to add the images in between. Like for example, if you're talking about the heart or the eyes or anything, you just have to add those images. But I'm making this tutorial simple for beginners, so you can just understand the framework of how they generate videos like that, viral videos like that. So once you're done, there's a way we're going to actually get the effects that the motion effect that those images usually have, that moves from left to right, from left to right. So the way you can get it is for you to go to animate in the top right corner of the screen, and you're just going to look for the combo effect called pendulum. This is like a transition effect. So you're going to select pendulum and you're going to add it to every clip or every image. on your timeline. It's just going to add the pendulum effect on every clip. And once you're done, you're going to get something like this.
Here are 4 fruits to ensure your body is optimal. Bananas, rich in potassium.
As you can see, it's the same motion as the viral video I played at the beginning of this tutorial. So you're just going to do that for all your images. Should have this motion. Next thing, we're going to be adding our captions, and because you need captions for this video, and we're just going to go over to the top left corner and go over to text and auto captions, and that's the way you can add captions automatically. You have to change the language as well, so it's going to take a while, like 2 minutes or 1 minute to generate, depending on how quick or how slow the server is. So once you've gotten the caption, you have to select a good text style. You go over to the right side, you can select from different varieties of text styles that they have. So I'm just going to select this quick, because I think it's similar to the ones that with viral videos they use. So I'm just going to add it in. Once you're done, this is like basically it. If you can generate really eye candy images, because it's all about the images. It's all about the images. You have to generate like really good images. As you can see, this is a quick tutorial, and that's why I'm just generated images quickly, so you can do this easily. And this is the video.
Here are 4 fruits to ensure your body is optimal. Bananas.
As you can see, it's so easy for you to generate videos like this.
Heart health, help manage blood pressure, and enhance mood. Avocados, packed with essential nutrients like vitamins C, E, K, and B6. Avocados promote eye health, skin vitality, and support overall well-being. Limes, high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Limes contribute to immune system support and provide various health benefits, including skin health. Watermelon, a hydrating fruit. Watermelon is rich in water content and contains antioxidants like lycopene, promoting hydration, skin health, and reducing oxidative stress.